Hello everyone. Today I will guide you on how to use the MKTK software to make posts. So this is the MKTK software here. Yesterday I already showed everyone how to manage and nurture accounts and how to manage and stabilize the account. Today we'll move on to the feature that most people are interested in, which is the automatic posting function. So here is the posting function. We have options to post to groups, post to personal profiles, post reels, and post to marketplace. And there's also the post history. This feature will help you post to groups for advertising purposes. Normally, posting manually takes a lot of time, but with this tool, it will support automatic posting to groups. First, you need to prepare some content. Go to the content management section. This is where you add the content you want to post. Here, I have already prepared some content. For example, on the topic of investment, just copy the content in. Whatever content you want to promote, just add it here. You can add images, videos, or any content and enter it here along with a title. You can also add an image here if you want. As for me, I won't add one. Now that we have the post ready, the most important thing is which groups to post it to, right? So in this section for posting to group, right? Posting to groups here, you'll have an option called select. For example, you can post by group ID or post by keyword or post by a list of groups or post to your own group, the groups that you have already joined. So here I'll post to the groups I want. So I'm going to use this specific feature to navigate all the way back to the main group list interface. Once we are here, you can see a variety of different functions that are all specifically related to the scanning process. I'll navigate directly to the dedicated section for scanning groups and identifying specific scanning group IDs. At this point, you will need to manually enter a relevant keyword into this field. This should be the specific topic keyword you are most interested in exploring, such as real estate investor or something similar. After that, carefully select your preferred account from the list, choose the total number of groups you wish to scan for this session, and then simply click the start button to begin. Now the software will automatically begin the scanning process and will systematically generate a comprehensive list of groups, providing you with detailed information such as the unique group ID, the full group name, and the total number of members currently in each group. The status of the group. So this will be the list of groups. This will show the number of members. Here, you can see whether the group is public or private, whether the group is moderated, and the group link. When you scan, you can also export this data to an Excel file. Export all this data to Excel. Or view it directly here. All the necessary information will be here. Now you can extract the groups you want that fit your needs. In this section, there will be a column called Group UID. You just need to copy this Group UID column to use in the software so it can automatically post and find these groups. To do this, go back to the software, open the TK, and select Post by Group ID. You will paste the copied group IDs here and select the content you want to post. You can set up the accounts, configure the parameters you want, such as the waiting time, how many posts per group, how many times each post is published. Everything is available and there will be no duplication. You can also set it so that comments are made after a successful post. Everything is possible. So when you post, you can have all these features. With options like this, each account can post one article from the very beginning. It's very simple. Now the software will let these accounts post to those groups. So now we just wait. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Here, you'll see these system numbers, such as the actions being performed, whether they're successful, what is currently being done, whether it's queued or not, and whether it's been completed successfully. It all happens very quickly, just a moment, and all four accounts have already increased. Then it moves on to a few other accounts, and it just keeps going, processing one account after another. You can come here to view everything directly. All the information will be available, such as what content was posted, the date and time of posting, and so on. That's the date and time of posting and exactly when it was posted, right at the current moment. For example, 1705, exactly 1705:38. Uh, If there are many different groups, you will simply need to wait for a short moment until you remember. Then you can join the call. And if you want your accounts to join first, the software application will also provide full support for you by automatically joining on your behalf. Here, these are the groups. This is precisely the specific content and information I put in earlier, and it's displaying with the background image that I set up. Every single one of them is currently displaying the background image here. If no one leaves, then for groups that don't allow posting, everyone can switch to the comment section. It will comment on posts within those groups to advertise your content. This is also a very effective method. If you have any questions or difficulties, you can contact me at the name listed below.